Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we have the latest 2025 Opel Corsa, a car that has been making waves in the compact hatchback segment. Whether you're looking for style, efficiency, or tech-packed features, this one promises a lot. Let's dive into the details and see what it offers. Starting with the exterior, the new Opel Corsa maintains its sharp and modern design while refining some key elements. The front grille is now sleeker, featuring Opel's latest visor design, giving it a futuristic and sporty appeal. The LED matrix headlights, a segment-first feature, provide excellent visibility while adding to the car's aggressive stance. Moving to the side, you'll notice the sculpted lines and a floating roof effect, which enhance its dynamic presence. The rear end gets refreshed LED taillights and a slightly revised bumper, making the car look even more premium. Opel offers a variety of color options, including some vibrant new shades to match different personalities. Stepping inside, the 2025 Corsa impresses with a well-thought-out cabin that balances comfort and technology. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a larger infotainment screen with Opel's latest UI, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft-touch materials on the upper dashboard add a premium feel, while the sporty flat-bottom steering wheel enhances the driving experience. The seats are well bolstered, offering good support for long drives. Rear passenger space remains decent for a hatchback of this size, making it a practical choice for urban commuters. Cargo space is also competitive, with enough room for weekend luggage or daily essentials. Under the hood, the 2025 Opel Corsa comes with multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering around 100 horsepower, while a more powerful 130 horsepower variant is also available. Both options are paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission. Opel has also introduced a fully electric version, the Corsa Electric, offering up to 250 miles of range on a single charge. The ride quality is smooth, with responsive steering and well-balanced suspension, making city and highway driving enjoyable. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Opel Corsa starts at approximately $22,000 for the base petrol model, while the electric version begins at around $30,000, depending on the trim and features. Overall, the new Corsa is a strong contender in the hatchback segment, offering great value, modern tech, and multiple powertrain choices. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.